Hey everybody, welcome to Stock Abilities. Today I'm going to be covering Robinhood for the web and the options trading and stock trading drama going on here. Just a quick little update if you guys weren't really following along, but as of very recently they had a very big problem with their options trading. People lost hundreds of thousands of dollars. Some lost 10 bucks, 20 bucks, but the ultimate answer is Robinhood really worth it for the free trading? And in my opinion, it is not. It's been having a lot of bugs for months and months and months. This doesn't seem to be changing as the months pass. The support is pretty terrible, the response time as well. There's alternative brokers, and a lot of people may argue with me in regards to this, but the bottom line is I believe it's worth it to pay the fees on some of these other brokers. I'm gonna go and jump a little bit further here. As you can see, this is December 12th, and up recently here, we've temporarily shut down options trading after an issue found, and then the trading may be a pause for some of you while we restored options. And then the majority of affected accounts had their trading ability restored. We just restored it. Account access to another batch of users. There's still a small amount of you without access. We're working to fix everything. And then at the end here, they said, we're all mostly finished. And then after all of that, there's some other posts floating around, but essentially the bottom line is they gave Robinhood Gold free for 3 months. However, some people lost 10 grand, 20 grand, 50 grand, 70 grand, kept going up and up and up. And that's a lot of loss for a free broker to pay for free options trading and free shares. They've had problems, a plethora of problems throughout the months. This is not a new thing. This is kind of a recurring thing. I'd personally recommend Tastyworks. It's only $1 a trade per options, $5 for stocks. That's kind of pricey. Options on futures only $250 and $125. Just to kind of emphasize the point here, the server outages and mismanagement on December 12th and 13th cost me significant amounts of my option portfolio. The server from Robinhood cost significantly more than brokerage fees would from a reliable investment platform. The customer service response was mostly an apology, but no effort. This is a recent feedback. There's some other negative ones here too. A lot of them basically buggy application and not worth the free trading. Going a little bit further again, M1, sorry about that. Tastyworks, $1 a trade, it's definitely worth it in my opinion. I've had very little problems with them both on the customer service, and they have about a 1 minute response time, whereas Robinhood has about a 2 to 5 months response time. Sometimes they respond within a few weeks, sometimes they respond in a day, but it's usually an automated message, not an actual input. You try calling their phone number, they do not respond very well. Sometimes you're waiting for hours on the phone with Robinhood. You can call Tastyworks and you get a response time within 1 to 5 minutes. It's kind of layout of how Tastyworks looks. You got the charts on the side here. I'd recommend Thinkorswim for charting though, and you can do actually diversified variety of trading from long calls, vertical strangles, straddles, options, iron condor, covered calls, puts, jade lizard, calendar, stock. You can learn all these different trading methods, and Robinhood just limits you basically to one specific method. As you can see, you got the buy, sell, call, puts, and an expiration, and it's a pretty straightforward, easy to buy and sell, but you can't really do any kind of strategies with Robinhood, whereas you can kind of hedge your positions with other brokers such as Tastyworks. This is just my opinion, but thanks for stopping by, and feel free to subscribe to the channel if you want more videos just like this.